First cabinet, there we go.
That ain't going nowhere.
Oh, there it is. But I can't make it any more plumb. So. Hey, so welcome back. In this video, we're continuing trying to get moved into our house. We're working today on the kitchen, getting cabinets in, getting things set for the plumber to hook things up. And today we're working on the kitchen island, getting this sorted out. We're using just some stock cabinets I picked up from the home center, and then there'll be a wall behind the cabinets to attach those to. And then I got butcher block. It's 2 foot wide by 8 foot wide, and we're going to have 2 of those. So our island will be 4 foot by 8 foot. So there's some heat in the floor that's got to come up through the bottom of the cabinets. And getting those 2 slabs put together with a Kreg jig and screwed together underneath. And then just getting the whole thing situated is going to create some challenges. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And we'll catch you next time. All right, box me in, Chris.
All right. Or are you just going to go with that line?
I'm just going to get this line on the top and then we'll plumb it up before I screw the bottom. All right, there we go. 7 studs, all in a row.
Ducks in a row.
Essentially, it's a wall. That's the dream, at least. Should be the same height as these cabinets.
Imagine that. It's kind of cool.
There it is. Screwed it to that, screwed this to there. Put a screw here, into the subfloor. Alright, so I'm thinking that's going to go around it. The top and the bottom is going to go around it, and the sides we can push in. So that's got to come up. Hold on. Bend this up a little.
Tape.
Better than that, Chris. Hold on, well, we want to make sure we're only like here.
Tape it.
Tape it. Tape it, baby. All right, where's the marker? Give me the marker. Oh, it's in my pocket.
Oh, imagine that. Yep.
Alright. I'll put the bottom on the top on the bottom. It's all good.
That would do it. Oh, come to you.
Yep. Something like that. Oh. Screw it. clean. Look at that. Is that a better side?
It's cleaner, yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. All right, so lay it this way. Gonna go about right there at the top. All right. You got a 2.5 inch overhang. So I want to go to like 4.5 inches is where I want it. Do your back. Mr. Cameraman. Get some glue, glue that edge. All right, Chris, tell all the YouTube fans what we're doing.
We are gluing and screwing.
Gluing and screwing. Screwing our countertop together. That's it. Let it sit overnight.
Cool.
And then go from there. Oh yeah. Oh baby, that's heavy. Just run the belt sander over that for a few days, it would be awesome. It's a little, it's fine right over here. Here it gets a little weird. This is higher than this. But again, the belt sander was, I knew I was gonna have to sand it. I mean, I didn't have any, I gotta sand it anyway, so I'll just, all right, let's get it mounted. Talking to yourself, Chris.
Huh?
You're talking to yourself.
I know. I learned it from someone.
Well, the next project was getting the pine beams ready for the living room. They're 6 by 8 by 14 feet, and they come from trees that I cut down to put the driveway in a couple years ago. So they've been down for 2 years, and I milled them on the sawmill about 3-4 months ago, so they needed some sanding to get them ready to put up. Chris did most of the sanding, but I didn't get any video of that. You may hear it later on in the video when I'm putting the brackets up. You can hear Chris sanding away and sanding and sanding and sanding. It took him hours, the poor kid. Oh, it's gonna go. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? You're standing underneath. So I neglected to put a block in here before we did drywall to accept the bracket for the beam because I didn't have my plan together on how I was going to actually do these beams. So you saw me putting the black brackets in the other locations. I gotta have a beam, I gotta have a block right here. So I'm cutting a piece of drywall out as carefully as I can. I'll have to just patch it, that's all. That's all there is to it. And there it is. I just need a block right there. All right, let's see if I can get it in there. Let's see how this fits. All right, so let's see, the wire's gonna come in here. Wow.
You want a leaf blower situation?
No. Well, I mean, the little Milwaukee thing. The wire's gonna come up there, it's gonna go in that groove. Life's gonna be good. All right, well, that's going to wrap this one up. 2 major projects completed. We got the island in and we got the beams up. So since all that's happened, we were able to get the finish electrical all done. All the lights are turned on now. The electrician came and put all the breakers in. I'm going to take you upstairs here so that you can see the beams from up here with the track lights on them. And you see I got some mud on the wall where I had to patch the drywall in. We just put 1 light on each track just to make sure they were working. There's going to be, I've got 9 of them. I think there's going to be 2 on that one. There's going to be 2 on this one. There's going to be, I don't know, 3 or 4 on this one. And they point upwards just to light this area up here. It works pretty good. We also got the track lights up here. Again, we just have 1 on each track. There's 6 tracks up here. You can see how the floor looks up here. We got it all cleaned up and ready to go. We've just got some touch up on the paint to do. Already got some music gear up here, my PA system. This is where it's going to live, so we threw it up here. I got to do the railing up here and over here. That'll be in an upcoming video coming pretty soon, I would think. Now, of course, this is all our life right now, is getting this thing done, getting the house done. So we're anxious to get down here, move down here. But at this point, it's just me. It's just me working on the project. So it's a challenge. I've got doors to hang still. The trim, of course, I'm making all the trim out of the 1x10 pine that I've got. So I've got to rip it down on a table saw, sand it. So that's it. Let me wrap it up. Thanks for watching the video. Give the video a like if you enjoy the video, and consider subscribing if you'd like to follow along on our home build. Getting super close now. So the next video, I assume, we'll probably be doing trim, maybe the railings, hanging doors, whatever, something along those lines. So again, thanks for watching. See you next time from White Pine Woods. So long.